Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Zoho Project for supply chain management in 2025. Let's kick off with setting up your project in Zoho. You'll want to input all your tasks and deadlines, assigning each one to the appropriate team member. This is crucial as it ensures everyone knows their roles and responsibilities, keeping your supply chain running smoothly. Now that we've done that, it's time for step 2. Start using the Gantt chart feature to visualize your project timeline. This helps us because it provides a clear picture of when each task should be completed and how they interlink, which is vital for effective supply chain management. Next up, we're going to set up automated workflows. Automating repetitive tasks like updating task statuses or sending out reminders not only saves time, but also reduces the chance for manual error. The reason we do this is to streamline our operations and keep the supply chain moving without any hitches. Now let's move on to tracking and reporting. Zoho has fantastic tools for monitoring your project's progress. Not only can you track task completion, but you can also monitor time spent on each task. This helps us because it provides insights into where you might need to make improvements or adjustments, ensuring your supply chain is as efficient as possible. Lastly, don't forget to utilize Zoho's collaboration tools. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. These tools allow for real-time communication and file sharing, which can significantly speed up processes and decision-making in your supply chain. So there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to use Zoho Project for supply chain management. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized, automated, and monitored, and you'll have a smooth-running supply chain in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.